I built this Class AB amplifier using this TDA2003 IC and few resistors and capacitors. This is the circuit diagram. I'm using 10 volts to power this circuit, but I'd recommend 15 or 12 volt to power this. The speaker which I'm using is 8 ohms. Use a 8 ohm speaker with a larger diaphragm for better audio output, unlike this one. After connecting everything according to the circuit diagram, it worked. I could hear this loud humming noise when there was nothing connected to the input. This is because the amplifier input is left being flowed. To solve this problem, I'll be adding a 1 kilo ohm resistor, a pull-down resistor, from input to ground. So here's the modified circuit diagram. That's it for this video. I'll meet you in the next one.